Good morning. It's 4 a.m. Okie dokie. So I've been doing a lot of research. And this affiliate marketing stuff is, yeah, it's easy. Just kidding. It's not easy. So if you have a lot of money and do ads, you can get there. You would have to outsource quite a bit of stuff. Now, take note that I'm speaking of if you want to do this like all those gurus on the internet say that you can do this overnight. Okay. Fact of the matter is the internet is a big place. To be at the top of the list with your niche is going to be extremely hard. You're going to have to know, and the keyword to organic traffic is SEO, search engine optimization. Now, there's a lot of tricks to it because Google doesn't make it that easy, right? They make it very complicated on how you're going to get to your search engine optimization, all your keywords, your long tail, your short tail keywords, all these have to be planted in the perfect little spot in your articles and things like that. The best option is if somebody knows how to do a blog and write reviews on products. I noticed that. Just shotgunning them out in the internet is made a bad name for these marketing, affiliate marketing. And yeah, in a nutshell, if you had a bunch of money and you found a niche that you were passionate about and you outsourced the SEO to somebody, which is going to be hard to find because everybody claims they know how to do the SEO, which they don't. That's just the way it is. Everybody on the internet, it's kind of like the OK Corral, man. Everybody out there claims they're the best at something when it comes to the internet. And by the time you figure it out, you just paid them to do nothing. That's the bottom line, man. So I was doing some more research and stumbling around in the internet, listening to all these so-called we know it all and we can do it all and we make millions and millions of dollars on the internet and doing affiliate marketing and kind of watching them, and they all have the same characteristic. The first, they claim they're making millions and millions of dollars, and they're not. And you can tell just by logically doing the research on these individuals. I'm not going to name anybody, so I don't want to throw anybody under the bus. Excuse me. But the majority of them are selling how to do affiliate marketing. Now, I guess the ones that are actually doing affiliate marketing and making money doing affiliate marketing and doing their niche and, basically solving problems for people that have those problems out there and getting paid what they call a commission for pointing them in the right direction to solve that problem. They're not trying to sell their program. Okay. They figured out the recipe or the special sauce, some people want to call that, but excuse me. They figured it out, and they're probably sitting on a beach somewhere with their feet in the sand and, watching the surf come in, drinking a cocktail. So that's the bottom line. And I guarantee you they've probably been in this business probably 5 to 10 years. It's not an overnight deal. So that's just the way it is. Now, what we're going to have to do over the next, we're a week in. We're on day 9 now. So we're almost 10 days in out of 60 days. So over the next 50 days, we're going to have to break this down step for step and try to find the perfect way to set something up that's substantially where you can make just a little bit and, cover your costs, your time. Because let's face it, the human being has one asset, one absolute asset that is the most important asset in the world, and it's your time. So if you're wasting that and you're going day for day, wandering around the jungle out there, then it makes no sense. You can spend that time with your family and get more out of it than you would if you just swim around out there with the sharks. So the fact of the matter is there is some where you can get information, and ClickBank does. They've been in the business quite a long time. They're for affiliate marketing people. They have a program with Spark, and they do educating. Okay, now there's a lot of honest programs out there, or platforms. Let's call them platforms, because this is going to be an affiliate marketplace platform called ClickBank. They offer this is probably the easiest way to get to your products. You can do a lot of research on here for your niche. They do have a program called Spark that you can choose from. What I don't agree with ClickBank is they do the same thing as everybody else. They upsell you. If you want to try to do their education program, become an affiliate marketer. But I was going through it, and they do talk extensively about the SEO and how to do it, which is a lot more than all these other gurus on TikTok and Facebook and everywhere else. Of course, they benefit from you doing a good job because they get a commission on top of your commission. So they set up the whole platform. They find the products that you can promote, and then when you do that and get paid, they get paid. So it's in their best interest that you understand what's going on and do the best that you can. But as you can see on their starting page here, they've got where you can pick out all the products or top offers or new offers or health and fitness. Now, what the biggest ones that you have to look for is either wealth, health, or relationship. Those are the 3 pillars in affiliate marketing. That's where you start with your niche. You pick some category, and then you start downsizing in that category and find something that you would like to, kind of make it smaller, and then focus on that so you can do more than one product. So you could go, for example, health and fitness, and then go down to weight loss for women, for example. That would give you, I'm not saying women are fat, okay? I'm just simply saying that's just an example. So weight loss for women. So there's your niche. And say you go to the gym, that gives you a little bit of authority in that field on how to stay in shape and how to lose weight. And you can focus on helping middle-aged women that had children lose excessive weight from childbirth, things like that, right? So then you focus down into that, and then you can find on the marketplace here, you can find products that would help them. Organic traffic is only going to be through, your best bet is the SEO, like we talked about earlier. I've been talking about it for days, because in my opinion, that's going to be the key to even succeeding in this, is to become very, very good at SEO. Now, unless you have a blog where you're an influencer or somebody online, which you're probably, if you are an influencer, you're probably already promoting products and getting away with that as it is. So you're probably not even watching this, I would think. So anyway, here I am saying so all the time. This is getting kind of nutty today. So if I go to health and fitness, then I can scroll down here on the left side. And of course you have men's health, and then you're going to have women's health right there. Women's health, there's 29 products in the women's health. Pelvic floor, strong. Okay, now the way they do it here in ClickBank is they give you a gravity score. Now the gravity score is going to tell you, it's based on the number of unique affiliates that are actually promoting their product. So the higher the score, the more people are trying to promote that product. So keep an eye on that gravity score. You want it to be a little bit higher than that. These are pretty low. So we can use a different example and just go to weight loss, because there's probably the biggest in affiliate marketing. You know, dietary supplements, that's huge. And then you got this one right here where gravity score is 2,281.33. That means pretty much every one of the big affiliate marketers are promoting that program right there. But you get paid on an average of $139 per client that you send to this individual company here. And that's probably why you got so many people. And if you pay attention, it has a recurring rebill, which is 2 cents on this aspect, but some of them are like programming for educational. If you go down the health, or no, I'm sorry, the wealth pillar, then, and when you get down to that wealth pillar, there can be software programs and things like that have reoccurring commissions, and that's probably the route that I would go. And that's the route, basically the niche that I'm in, or I'm going to attempt to do. I like the idea of a recurring commission. If I can get 10 or 15 clients that have a problem that I can solve, then every month that they're using the program, then you would get reoccurring commission or payment for that. All right. So that's the direction that I would go, and the direction that I'm going to try to go. I just have to find the final problem solver in order to start building what they call a click or landing page or a click funnel, because that's the next thing that you'll have to do once you have your product, to have a place for them to go. And then once you build this this one page, it's not a big website, it's just a one page information type, get customer email stuff, right? You want their email so you can build up an email list and start doing email marketing, which you would have your other products that you've expanded your niche. So everybody's still with me here, okay? I mean, I know I'm all over the place, but this is a big business. This is seriously a business. This is not an overnighter. And I'm just, the more research I do, and the more I see these people on TikTok and stuff screaming about how this is the easiest thing in the world and you can do it overnight, just pay me. Just want to reach through the screen and just, throat punch them. It's not that easy. It's a scam. It's just tearing me apart here because it's just ridiculous. And I know that there's a lot of people out there that fall for it because they're preaching to your dream. You don't want a 9-to-5 job. You want to sit at home. You want to be able to do everything you want to do. Don't fall for that, people. If you seriously want to do this, then you're going to have to do a ton of research. You're going to have to take it step for step. You're going to have to be patient. You're going to have to nurture it. You're going to have to build it, and you got to build organic traffic. You've got to get out in there and and be seen. You've got to build a following. You've got to be on more than one platform. You've got to know SEO. So just, if you're really serious about this, then take the time and do it. A couple hours every day if you have that time. Get up in the morning, 4 o'clock. You can work nice and quiet. There's nobody, no text messages, nobody's calling you. You can have your coffee and, do your morning routine, whatever you do. And you can work on there and do your research and take care of business for the first couple hours of the day when it's nice and quiet. Best part of the day, 4 o'clock. So that's going to be it for today. I'll fill you in more tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day today. And we'll talk again. I will be doing my research here for the next hour or so before I kick the day off, before the sun comes up. And then I'll make notes in my little notebook. Then we will kick it again tomorrow on day 10. Have a great day.